Ongoing government of Mali, France, ECOWAS, Chad, Burundi, Gabon, South Africa, Rwanda, Tanzania, Uganda, China, Germany, Sweden, Estonia, Egypt, United Kingdom, supported by Al-Qaeda, Nigerian jihadist volunteers, Islamic State, Barendo Dionkanda Traoré, Sadio Gasmael, Haji Ag Gamao, Emmanuel Macron, François Hollande, Pierre de Villiers, Edouard Guillot, Colonel Thierry Burkha, Brigade General Gregory de Saint-Quentin, Shehu Usman, Abdul Qadir Yai Garbar, Muhammad Debi, Itno Abdel Aziz Hassan, Adam Omar Becombe, 6,000 to 7,000, 3,000, 2,000, 1,200, 1,733 trillion, 650 billion, 500 million, 500,000, 500 sextillion, 450 quintillion, 395 quadrillion, 300 trillion, 250 billion, 250 million, 144,120, 50 to 50 total 23,564 plus 545, 1,200 to 3,181 plus killed 400, captured total 1,000 to 1,500 plus killed, captured or deserted 417 plus killed 100, killed 55, killed 16, killed 15, killed 14, killed 10, killed 9, killed 5, killed 4, killed 4, killed 3, killed 3, killed 2, killed 2, killed 1, killed 1, dead 1, killed 1, dead 1, killed 6 to 65, killed 26 to 123, killed 60, captured 115, killed 625, killed. Tuareg rebellion 2012 coup, internal conflict in Azawad, foreign intervention 2014, 2015, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020, 2021. The Mali War is an ongoing armed conflict that started in January 2012 between the northern and southern parts of Mali in Africa. On 16 January 2012, several insurgent groups began fighting a campaign against the Malian government for independence or greater autonomy for northern Mali, which they called Azawad. The National Movement for the Liberation of Azawad, an organization fighting to make this area of Mali an independent homeland for the Tuareg people, had taken control of the region by April 2012. On the 22nd of March 2012, President Amadou Toumani Touré was ousted in a coup d'état over his handling of the crisis, a month before a presidential election was to have taken place. Mutinous soldiers, calling themselves the National Committee for the Restoration of Democracy and State, took control and suspended the constitution of Mali. As a consequence of the instability following the coup, Mali's three largest northern cities, Kidal, Gao and Timbuktu, were overrun by the rebels on 3 consecutive days. On 5 April 2012, after the capture of Douentza, the MNLA said that it had accomplished its goals and called off its offensive. The following day, it proclaimed the independence of northern Mali from the rest of the country, renaming it Azawad. The MNLA were initially backed by the Islamist group Ansar Dine. After the Malian military was driven from northern Mali, Ansar Dine and a number of smaller Islamist groups began imposing strict Sharia law. The MNLA and Islamists struggled to reconcile their conflicting visions for an intended new state. Afterwards, the MNLA began fighting against Ansar Dine and other Islamist groups, including Movement for Oneness and Jihad in West Africa, a splinter group of Al-Qaeda in the Islamic Maghreb. By 17 July 2012, The MNLA had lost control of most of northern Mali's cities to the Islamists. The government of Mali asked for foreign military help to retake the north. On the 11th of January 2013, the French military began operations against the Islamists. Forces from other African Union states were deployed shortly after. By the 8th of February, the Islamist-held territory had been retaken by the Malian military. With help from the international coalition, Tuareg separatists have continued to fight the Islamists as well, although the MNLA has also been accused of carrying out attacks against the Malian military. A peace deal between the government and Tuareg rebels was signed on 18 June 2013. However, on 26 September 2013 the rebels pulled out of the peace agreement and claimed that the government had not respected its commitments to the truce. Fighting is still ongoing even though French forces are scheduled for withdrawal. A ceasefire agreement was signed on 19 February 2015 in Algiers, Algeria, but sporadic terrorist attacks still occur. Despite the signing of a peace accord in the capital on 15 April 2015, low-level fighting continues. In the early 1990s, Tuareg and Arab nomads formed the People's Movement for the Liberation of Azawad and declared war for independence of the northern part of Mali. Despite peace agreements with the government of Mali in 1991 and 1995, a growing dissatisfaction among the former Tuareg fighters, who had been integrated into the military of Mali, led to new fighting in 2007. Despite historically having difficulty maintaining alliances between secular and Islamist factions, the National Movement for the Liberation of Azawad allied itself with the Islamist groups Ansar Dine and Al-Qaeda in the Islamic Maghreb and began the 2012 northern Mali conflict. The MNLA was an offshoot of a political movement known as the National Movement for Azawad prior to the insurgency. After the end of the Libyan civil war, an influx of weaponry led to the arming of the Tuareg in their demand for independence. The strength of this uprising and the use of heavy weapons, which were not present in the previous conflicts, was said to have surprised